You flew higher than a bird was supposed to fly. You took us on a ride so we could touch the sky. But now that Tuesday's gone, your memory still goes on as you fly to your friends up in the sky. Won't you fly free, bird, leave this world of sorrow. You're just traveling on into a new tomorrow. Play it pretty, son, like you did back in Atlanta. Oh, fly free, bird, give us one more from the road. You left behind the tools that gave you wings to fly. That old as Paul